Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to customize these two buttons on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, by default these two buttons have different features. For example, if you hold this upper button, Bixby will appear on your screen. If you double click on this button, most recent application will open. And if you click on it once while you are in any application, it will get you back on your home screen. And basically, this button have function like go back from any tab or any application. Now, how to customize these buttons? Let me show you. Swipe down once to open the control panel and click on the settings. After this, scroll down until you will see tab Advanced Features. Click on it and scroll down. Right here you will see tab Customize Buttons. Click on it. And right here for this home button you can see two options, double press and press and hold. Let's start with the press and hold. It have options as Bixby and power off menu. I will choose the second option. And on the double press, if we click on it, we can choose go to most recent app, accessibility shortcuts, your exercises, or open any application that is installed on your watch. And for this lower button, we have only one option, short press. And right here, we have two options, go to previous screen or show recent apps. I will keep it the first option. And that's all. This is how you can customize your buttons on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.